Let me show you how you can convert JPEG into a PDF using Pixelmator Pro. I'm going to browse files on my Mac to find that image. Pixelmator Pro will open with the image loaded. Now we can simply click File at the top, Export, and from here we need to change the format from JPEG to PDF. Now we are exporting, and here is the PDF file. PDF is a container format, so we just simply have a PDF with one single image in it. Sometimes we need a PDF in the standardized size like A4. How can we do that? So after you load your image, we will need to change the size of this document. Head to Image menu at the top and select Canvas size. From here you can put your custom size, and here's the size for vertical A4 document. I click OK, and take a look, the size is correct, but now the image is way too big. Don't worry, we can scale it down. Sometimes you need to zoom out really far and search for that corner. This way we can manually scale it down and reposition your image. Alright, now we can zoom back, and this is A4 document, so I can decide that I want to place it at the top or at the bottom or in the middle. Let's place it at the bottom actually. And now we're going to export this as a PDF once more. So File, Export, PDF. And in the second export, we still got our image, but now it's also a PDF size that we set up. So in our case, that was A4. So that's how easy it is to create a PDF out of an image in Pixelmator Pro. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.